Hey guys, tonight we're gonna make some paninis using some of Pampered Chef's products, and my husband, who is my Pampered Chef, is going to help us. What we're featuring is the Deluxe Electric Grill and Griddle from Pampered Chef. It has these plates that can be kind of changed. This can be used for this whole thing can actually lay flat if you want it to. It doesn't. It has the ability to lay flat. So if you want to make breakfast, pancakes, eggs, that kind of thing, it's just a regular.
Bacon on one side.
Yeah, bacon.
Pancakes on the other.
And these ones will be what we use for the panini.
And these come off really easy. You just click the button here, lift them off. We'll set them over here. All right, so we got the panini plates here, the grill and sear plates. We're gonna put those in. That's really easy. You just snap them in, and they pop right in. These are also dishwasher safe, so you can put them right in the dishwasher. Very easy and simple. So first things first, what we're gonna do is turn it on. There's a little switch here in the back. I've used this quite a few times. I like to do a lot of grilling and smoking and stuff outside, so I was kind of intrigued to get this and do some indoor grilling and searing. So I've done a few things, some pork chops and breakfast on the other plates, and it works really well. There's also a probe function that you can plug in here, which I'm used to with smoking outside. So basically you plug it in, and then you can put the probe in your meat, and it will monitor the temperatures, and that's really helpful, and it'll stop the cooking process when the desired temperature is met. All right, so we got it on. What we're gonna do is go ahead and twist the knob here, and we're doing paninis, and there's a panini setting right here, so we're gonna turn that on. All right, so we got it on the panini setting, and what it's asking for us is the time that we want to put the panini in. It has 2.5 minutes. So I don't know exactly how long it'll take, but we'll just go with 2.5 minutes. So push it in. Okay, now it's heating up. So I'm gonna shut this, and we'll move on to the next thing here.
All right, so next I just wanted to let you know that this is Pampered Chef's knife set. It comes with a sharpener. So we're going to sharpen the knife that we're going to use, and we're just going to get going. Some of the Pampered Chef products that we might use when we're making our paninis today are the garlic parmesan dipping oil. They also make an Italian dipping oil. And I know they make a spicy pizza oil, but I don't have that one yet. So we'll do, some Italian seasoning. And they also, new to the spring products, they have the crunchy garlic crisp seasoning mix. So we're going to try to use that as well. We've got ham, turkey, sourdough bread, some tomato that we'll slice up. So to start with, this is our cutting board, and it's part of the prep and serve combination. The cutting board has some non-slip feet, which is very handy. This can be used, these little, this can be removed, these little containers, they have lids that go with them. They can be refrigerated. But again, it doesn't move very easily. So what I'm going to use these prep bowls for is, one, I'm going to put any pieces that I'm cutting that I don't want, and then the slices I'm going to put in this other container. Again, this is the chef's knife. It's very sharp. As you saw, my husband sharpened that just before. And I believe these knives have a lifetime warranty, and they are German. They use German steel, I believe. So they're a very nice quality set.
So it looks like the panini press is ready to go. It's up to temperature, and it says add the food. It's at 375 for the panini setting. So
You hand me a paper towel. All right. So this is basically my garbage.
I guess so.
So this can be for scraps. It can be for your prepped food, kind of whatever purpose serves you best.
I'm going to get the sourdough bread out here. We really like sourdough bread. What we're going to do first is now make some special crunchy garlic crisp mayo. And then what are you going to have on your sandwich?
I probably will do the Italian. Right now I'm going to use the garlic press for our panini. And Pampered Chef has these 1 cup prep bowls that I'm going to also use for the sauce. But you don't have to peel your garlic. You just press it down and it so nicely pops that through. You don't need the knife. It comes with this little brush thing, so all I have to do is use the straight end to kind of cut that off. You can take out, use the end also to take out the skin because it will just put that right in the bottom. Now I've got about 3 tablespoons of mayo with my garlic. And we're going to use the crunchy garlic crisp seasoning. These handy little measuring spoons. The bigger one goes from a teaspoon all the way up to a tablespoon. And then this one goes from 1/8 of a teaspoon to a teaspoon. So it's can just adjust and be easily washed. And so I think I'm just going to go ahead. It'll fit in this a lot easier. So I'm going to use this size. It has kind of a pretty orange color.
All right, so I'm going to butter the bread, so we have that side ready to go on the panini press. So now remember, the panini press and griddle is a non-stick surface, but we do want to add a little butter to it because butter always makes things better. It'll crisp up and be delicious.
And it should help with those grill marks as well.
Yep, we want a nice texture, nice crispy texture. So we're going to take our crunchy garlic spread here. We're going to spread it across as much as you want or as little as you want. All right, and you wanted Italian oil on yours, right?
Yeah.
Correct? Okay. So I want to shake that up so I'm not just getting all just oil. And then simply just shake it right on the bread. So like she said, we have provolone and Gouda. Do you want both?
Sure.
Okay. We have some ham and some turkey, or would you like both?
A little bit of both.
Okay. All right, we have our tomatoes on, our meat, and our cheese. We'll go ahead and put the pickles on as well. There is this little function over here that adjusts the setting, the height of the press. And I think you have it in the right spot here. I didn't want it all the way down to smush the sandwich, and if it's too high, then you won't be able to get contact. So we're going to go ahead and put it on. Nice little hiss. And then slowly we're going to push down. So this thing has a little knob here, and you just got to pop it free so it can rotate, and then you get good contact. If not, it's kind of stuck in there, and then it kind of wedges it at the wrong angle. So just make sure you are aware of that when you're doing this. Looks good. All right, we got the first sandwich off. We're going to go ahead and put on the second sandwich. Got it preheated. It says add food. We're going to go ahead and lower. Make sure this thing's free. See how it's moving? Give it a little press. And then we'll hit start. And this thing is heavy enough that it will push down on the food. Initially, give it a little push. All right, second sandwich done. Let's check it out. Yeah, that looks good. Cheese is melted. Got crispy bread.
Smells great.
Yeah, it smells really good. Let's take a bite.
Yeah.
Okay.
Mmm,
Crispy. The cheese is melted.
that was really good.
And the meat is warm. It's not cold.
I might need 2 hands for this, but it is very good.
That was good. Alright, let's eat that. I'm hungry. That's good.
Hopefully
I
we
need to
can.
make more. Let's just leave it all out. I'm serious. I might need a whole melon.